Hello guys, so today I am gonna tell you about the free sources to follow for upcoming bank exams. The free sources you can follow and get good marks without paying for any subscription. So let's start. So first we will talk about English. So in English you have three portions. One is grammar, second is reading comprehension, and third is vocabulary. So for grammar portion you can follow Plane to Paramount book. This book is by Neetu ma'am, and in this book the language is very simple, so you can clear your basic concepts very easily. Okay, and for reading you can follow Study 365 channel on Telegram. This channel provides free daily the Hindu PDFs, so you can read the Hindu PDFs for free on this Study Daily 365 Telegram channel. Okay, and for vocabulary you can download this Vocab 24 app. In this app you can also read the editorials, and when you tap on any word its meaning comes on your screen, so it is very easy to read the editorial part from it and to learn vocabulary along with it. Okay, next is India Bix website quizzes. So in this website there are quizzes available like on error detection, these topics, so you can follow this website, India Bix website. Okay, and also along with it you can follow Adda quizzes. These quizzes are very useful. And second part is maths. So for maths you can follow Studified channel by Ashish Arora sir. On this channel you can clear your arithmetic concepts. Along with it you can follow Exam Centric channel by Sumit sir. In these two channels you can follow your arithmetic. Okay, for data interpretation for beginners you can follow 365 DI by Harshal sir. These DIs are very useful, and along with it you can follow Studified channels DIs. These DIs are mains level and these are also very useful. Okay, and for speed like number series, simplification and quadratic equation, you just search these topics on GradeUp and the quizzes will be there for you, so you can solve these quizzes on GradeUp. And for practice arithmetic you have to buy a book, or you can find this PDF on Telegram. You just search this PDF on Telegram and it will be there for you, so you can follow this book, Ace book by ये अड्डा की book है, so you can follow this book for practicing arithmetic. Okay, next section is reasoning. So for reasoning you can follow 1000 puzzle series on Unacademy by Ankush Lamba sir. These series are free for everyone. These are available on Unacademy app. You can follow and you will see improvement in your puzzles. And for other topics you can follow Bankers Point channel. This channel is very useful, and this channel is very useful, and they teach in a very simple way, so you can understand easily. Okay, and for logical reasoning you can follow Smart Kida YouTube channel. They have a playlist for logical reasoning and it is very useful. Along with this, for practicing daily you can follow Adda daily quizzes, and there are many more PDFs on Telegram, so you can just search any topic and you will find that PDF, and you can practice from these PDFs. Okay, for general awareness, I mean current affairs, you can follow GK Today channel, YouTube channel. Along with it, on Affairs Cloud website free current affairs are updated every day, so you can read from these two things, and then you have to attempt quizzes from GradeUp and Adda. Okay, and along with it you can also take India Bix current affairs quizzes. And the static part is covered in Affairs Cloud website daily, so you need not to study static part अलग से, आपको अलग से पढ़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. And for banking awareness you can follow Kapil Katpal sir 8-hour video. This video is very helpful and they teach in a very simple way, and it will clear all your concept of banking awareness, and you need not to read banking awareness from anywhere else. And if you want to read any PDF, then you can prefer Adda PDF of banking awareness. You can just search this PDF on Telegram and you will find it. Okay, so these were the free sources and they will really help you. I have researched and I have found these channels, and these are very helpful for me. So I hope these are helpful for you too. Thank you.